Snow's gone, 18 degrees, and it's cutting day. Time to cut this thing down. Taking out the door. We got a lot of the windows out. We got a lot of stuff done. Everything is wide open empty. Say hi, Jazz.
Hi.
Slide it all the way.
Okay. I'm not sure if you want to save that part.
Nope. It's all come down. So what, you don't cut yourself. It's hard to see you. There's so much sun today. Timber! That was anticlimactic, but hey, it's down.
She's gotta wait for garbage day next week. Yeah.
Billy puppy, what you doing down there? Cutting off the roof there. Huh? All fun and games until I fall through the roof.
So this is the part where we're doing, and part of the camper fell, and now my dad's taking this part off. This part, it wasn't supposed to come off, so now my dad's sliding.
That's how rotten the wood was. It just fell apart on its own.
And now we're doing this part.
myself sliding down with it. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. You know what? Yeah, I don't want to do the catchphrase right now. We're not done. But man, this thing is certainly getting to be done. Looks like I got hit by a train. But that's what it's about. Hold it up, Jazz. Hold it up so I cut the rest off. Come on. Come on, stay there. I only got 2 more hours. Come on, you can do it.
Oh, I felt a thump. Damn.
How do you like COVID, Jazz? Anybody wants to come over and take out their frustrations on COVID on this camper demolition, feel free.
This is Sparta!
This is garbage. This is Sparta! Oh.
Hey, something. Oh.
Well, I hope our camping neighbors don't look too deep as we're using the bathroom. Well, we have no sidewalls. And my wife is messaging me saying, enough! Time to go get some treats and have a movie night. That's what I'm gonna do.